Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you another video. I'm gonna get my cars first. Okay, these are my cars. Now I'm gonna show you the demon first. Let's see. Go. Oh wait, now it's starting that I'm not. Oh, now it's go. Okay, now the orange one. Let's see. The launch in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I don't know, bro. Okay, let's try this orange one again. That was so worse. I wonder why. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, that was worse. Okay, let's try this one. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Okay, so that nothing was awesome. I should get another one. Come on, Okay, I almost run. I'm gonna just pause for a while. Okay, I chose another one. It's this one. It's actually so cool. You can easily do this. Okay, let's see the try. I hope that doesn't flip anymore, because I hate it. Ah, that was worse. Let's try it again. Oh! When I did that, that was so. Whoa! Yo, it's doing a flip. Hey, what's going on? Oh! Yo, that was crazy. Whoa! Okay, that's enough. Bye! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.